Hi, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and today we're checking out the Kalispera Girl 12 from Geox Kids. This high-top sneaker style is giving us a really cool contemporary look meant for those everyday casual outfits. You have a very soft suede upper that features a fun print in the back of hearts for a style that they're going to love. It also has a great tassel accent for an added design. It's easy to slide on and off thanks to this asymmetrical side zipper. It also features a hook and loop strap over it for added security. Slide into them, and on the inside you're going to find a very soft microfiber lining along with a breathable mesh. It also comes with a removable antibacterial insole that is practical and hygienic as well as breathable. It's going to give them the comfort they need all day long. On the bottom you have a durable and rubber outsole. This carefree style is the perfect pairing for your casual look, so check it out today. It's from Geox Kids.